G'day mate, I wonder if my arm's strong enough now to start this thing. I haven't started this by myself yet, but my 15-year-old son did so. There we go, it's deep cold. I think it's been run 3 times, 3 or 4 times. I've had it going when another guy started it for me, but I haven't started. I have not started. So, we'll try. I think my hands are strong enough, I think. I want to run it, I want to go to some wood. Hopefully lucky. Come on, you beefy. Full choke. Wow. Come on. Super rich while doing that. At least it started. That's way too rich, so see the choke's coming off. I don't know what he's doing there. Really gets it in this one. Gets it on the airfloor. Is that choke coming off? Yep. That's fast oil. Fast oil, choke off, do it fast oil again, try to start that up there. Doesn't sound right, at all. But let's put a big D handle on this thing. Running way too rich. I learned that blowout. Listen, I got it going. I have you got it going. Wow, that hurts your fingers. 122 cc's. Big baby. Oh, it hurts. Got to get ready for starting up the big 395 XPs, big balls, 98 cc's. This is good training. That's running way too rich, way too rich. But I got running first time, yay. Another day. I did it turn the load down on that jet. That carby. That hurts. Pull that finger there, ring finger. Alright guys. Back on. That hurts. But at least I got the bastard going. Happy with that. This is my time and thing run. I got to thinking, while I'm here, I might as well try and tune the thing. Now if you don't know who I am, I've had a stroke, had major back surgery. So to be able to say I can't start something where I could 3 or 4 years ago, I'll be pissed off. But now I find anything like this hard to do. So I'm getting old in a way, I'm not, but that won't be old. What I'll do is turn the blow jet down a bit. So she will rev up a bit when she oils, hopefully. She's running too low. About quarter turn. See when it starts that. So I go back to high oil. See when it starts that. And she should run good, hope. It doesn't do that, God. Then when it run. Come on. Come on. Oh, you bloody. Warm you got that, go on. Almost out of gas, guys. Warm it. Come on. Go on, come on. Go on, baby. $122 cc's. It'll have to pull over. Might give it a bit more fuel. Go back to the water roughly. She might be starving, but a lot of fuel in the sump, I think. I'll choose some fast oil, yeah. I just wanted to run something tune. Come on. Almost out of juice. Ah, you baby. Come on. Also, I can tune the bus. No, I'm dead. Look at that. I need to build something. Okay, I'm not a guy who likes to give up, so I pulled a handle off a 236 Husqvarna. I go four fingers now. I won't slip as much, so I would quickly change that over. But still, you can't do it with 3 or 4 fingers. But even got let's just start. I don't like that. Should say that's what didn't fit. I don't thank you. I don't care. I want to start run. I'll cut that off. Throw that in the bin. No good for a big motor. Some guys might cry what I just did, but they can't. I want to start. I'll be able to get back here. Operate, use it. Friendly, hang on. Friendly, use it friendly. Here. Use it friendly. Not gonna do it. It's a bit. Having a stroke, guys, makes your life so much pain. Can't think properly. I know I want it, just it's hard. Hard to do what you have to do. I put that in there. I got fit up there. Once I get started, I can tune it. Be fine then. Don't have to do big enough. Come on. I pause you guys, but don't let go of the road. There you go, yeah, no. Trying to make it more pointy. Hot. Knob that a bit, make it hard, stiff, hopefully. I'm going up. Nothing narrow up that rest of the handle. I wonder your 372 handle, but you get them. I have to edit this out of the video, I think. No one wants to watch this person do this. It is going up though. I said you do it now. Oh yeah, you got along those pliers, hopefully pull it up. There you go. Get that hopefully. Good. They lost it. Come on. Can't believe I'm talking to a pool star. Now pull out your one. Gotcha. Go around twice, in and out. Double knot. That should be good. We'll try and start that. Don't grab the handle properly. Have more angle and more leverage on there. Full start. And she's still pretty warm. Make sure it's still in focus. Yep, okay, I'll try this again. Though she's a bit warm. Yeah, she's getting cool, but it's still coming out warm for the moment. So, fast idle. There she goes now. See now I can actually hang on to it. Didn't slip. Come on. It's getting short though, it pulls up. Get more feel, better than it was. Crunching when it's hot. Well, it's not hurting as much now. Wish it would be longer though. Didn't cut much off though. Feel the noise, that's it. That's in there. On your butt. Give it one shake. Should be a feel. Oh bloody hell. Stilch. Oh, bugger that. Tomorrow. I did try it a lot longer. Yeah, even after the camera, I turned it off. I just couldn't do it, guys. The pull starter cord's not long enough. So I'm going to put some more cord in this tonight and hopefully do it tomorrow. But this handle is way better. We got 4 fingers. We should be using 4 fingers. See the full on the handle. Full grip, full power. So I did them like that. Just dumb. Solids got the 4. Husqvarna's got 4. Husqvarna's got 4. Should be 4. Especially a big motor like that. Right guys, over here. All puffed out.